Let me say something that sounds completely normal in many countries. Japanese schools are strange. Students clean classrooms and serve lunch themselves. That opinion is logical. It's not rude, and in many places, people would simply nod and agree. But in Japan, saying this openly can quietly create tension, even if you are being honest. In many countries, school has one main purpose: academic education. Teachers teach, students study, cleaning and food service are handled by staff. So, from an outside perspective, Japanese schools can look inefficient. Why should children clean classrooms? Why should students serve lunch to classmates? From a purely practical viewpoint, it seems unnecessary. And if you say this honestly, you are not trying to insult anyone. You are just being direct. But here's a key difference. In Japan, school is not only a place to study, it's a place to learn how to live in society. Cleaning classrooms teaches responsibility. Serving lunch teaches cooperation. Doing things together teaches awareness of others. For many Japanese people, these activities are not extra work. They are education itself. So when someone says, "This system is strange," it doesn't sound like a suggestion. It sounds like a rejection of a core value. There's another important context. In Japan, people are constantly exposed to content where foreigners praise Japan. On TV, on YouTube, on social media, Japan is amazing. Japanese culture is perfect. Everything works so well. These videos perform extremely well, and many creators intentionally make them because they go viral. As a result, many Japanese people grow up seeing only positive opinions from foreigners. So when a foreigner suddenly offers criticism, even thoughtful, polite criticism, it feels unexpected. And for some people, uncomfortable. Interestingly, not all criticism is treated the same. If you criticize Japanese work culture, many Japanese people will agree with you. Long hours, stress, pressure. Even Japanese people joke about these problems. But school education is different. Education is tied to history, values, national identity. Japan is one of the world's oldest countries, and many people feel deep pride in how children are raised. So, criticizing education can feel like criticizing who they are, even if that was never your intention. So, what should you do as a traveler or visitor? First, understand this. Being honest is not the problem. How honesty is delivered matters. In Japan, directly saying "this is wrong" or "this makes no sense" can create distance. A better approach is curiosity. Instead of saying "this is strange," try asking "why is this important in Japan?" That small change shows respect and opens conversation instead of closing it. Understanding this won't just help you avoid awkward moments. It will help you understand how Japanese people think. And when you understand that, you don't just visit Japan, you experience it on a much deeper level.